Hello. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create your first Google Ads campaign to promote your online business. Step 1. Access Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new account quickly. Step 2. Campaign Setup. Click on New Campaign. Then, select your campaign goal: sales, leads, or website traffic. For ads in Google search results, choose Search Network. Step 3. Define basic settings. Give your campaign a unique name. Next, set the geographical locations where you want your ads to appear and choose your target audience's language. Step 4. Set budget and bidding. Now, set your daily budget, which is how much you're willing to spend each day. If you're a beginner, I recommend selecting Maximize Clicks as your bidding strategy because it's easy to manage. Step 5. Set up ad groups. Create an ad group to organize your ads and keywords. Select the most relevant keywords for your business so they trigger when users search for them. Step 6. Create ads. Write an engaging title and a clear description for your ad. Make sure they're relevant to your keywords and include a strong call to action like "Shop now" or "Learn more." Step 7. Review and publish. Check all your campaign settings to ensure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Publish to have your ads displayed on Google. Congratulations! You've just created your first Google Ads campaign. Remember to monitor your ads' performance and make adjustments to get the best results.